This specifically designed off-grid system was installed at Cannons Creek in the Scenic Rim region of Queensland and is the first stage of a project Springer Solar will manage, moving this home to complete self-sustainability. The customer approached Springer Solar before building their energy-efficient holiday home, not wanting a large space occupied by a battery bank. They required the tidiest setup as possible. So far, Springers have installed 22 Winaico 325-watt full black modules. Each panel is fitted with the SolarEdge DC Optimizer, and the entire system is managed by SolarEdge 6kW HD Wave Inverter. Springer Solar also installed 2 Powerwall units and a generator. The property has a tablet installed for on-site monitoring at any time. All components used have off-site monitoring capabilities, easily accessed from anywhere in Australia. Once completed, the system will double in size with 2 more batteries and 22 more panels booked for installation when the remainder of the property has been built. Due to the location and cost of grid establishment, the customer needed complete off-grid functionality. Installing a generator was essential to operate as backup power for the solar modules and Powerwall units. We will return to Cannons Creek once the project is completed to see how the system is performing. Thank you for watching. Leave us a like, a comment and subscribe for more videos like this.